Okay, I'm going to look at this earthquake story. 4.3 magnitude earthquake. Residents of San Francisco Bay Area jolted. Jolted by this earthquake. It hit shortly before 3 a.m. and that was Monday, just southeast of Berkeley, across the bay from San Francisco, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, or USGS. No injuries or major damages reported, but some businesses said windows were broken, merchandise tumbled from shelves, things were shaking. In our newsroom, posted Dave Clark, a news anchor for KTVU TV. It caught everyone off guard. Okay, Berkeley is a city, right? Located in the San Francisco Bay Area. It is also the name of other places such as Berkeley, Michigan, a small city in Detroit metropolitan area also, and various neighborhoods and townships across the US. But this is Berkeley, California, again located in the San Francisco Bay Area. And what is an earthquake? The sudden shaking of the ground caused by the rapid release of energy that results from the breaking and shifting of rocks deep within the Earth's crust. And again, you see right there, not too many images here to look at. I think I have a news clip. We'll take a look. Oh, this is amazing because they give us a different magnitude here, okay? And I have a connection with this, and then I have a connection with the 4.3 magnitude. So let's play this. Oh, is the video not going to play again? Damn it. Hate when that happens, man. No video again? Haha, I got it on my phone. Okay, so I'm going to play it on my phone. Check this out.
We're breaking in to bring you breaking news. A 4.6 earthquake centered in Berkeley this.
So they say 4.6 right there, okay? So we'll play a little bit more of that.
We're breaking in to bring you breaking news. A 4.6 earthquake centered in Berkeley this morning. This happened just before 3 o'clock this morning. We've been getting reports within our newsroom with people hearing it in San Francisco, Oakland.
Okay, so they say 4.6 right there, okay? Check this out. You know, try to mess up my video feed. Look at this. Bay Area equals 46. Let's hear it again.
We're breaking in to bring you breaking news. A 4.6 earthquake centered in Berkeley this morning. This happened just before 3 o'clock this morning.
Isn't that amazing? They say 4.6 and Bay Area equals 46, but we're going to get back to the 4.3 because they're telling us 4.3 with this Associated Press article, and Berkeley equals 43. Right? What are we doing here? That's that reverse reduction cipher in action right there. Bay Area 46, and that's NBC with the audio saying 4.6 magnitude earthquake. Bay Area 46. The Associated Press reports 4.3 magnitude quake. Berkeley equals 43. Just southeast of Berkeley, across the bay from San Francisco. Isn't this amazing? The USGS said the last quake of a similar size near Berkeley was a magnitude 4.4 that hit on the fourth day of the year 2018. 4.4 magnitude. Earthquake equals 44. And that was on the fourth day of the year back in 2018. Isn't that wild right there? So let's get a clear definition here. What is magnitude referring to with the earthquake? The size or energy released by an earthquake. A single value measured on a logarithmic scale like the moment magnitude scale. This measurement is based on seismograph data. Oh my god, just a bunch of BS. Isn't that amazing though? Look, that is something else how we hit with the 44, the 43, the 46. This was Monday, okay? Jolted by this earthquake, residents across the San Francisco Bay Area. Monday was a 76 date numerology. San Francisco founded in 1776. San Francisco Bay Area equals 76. Just San Francisco alone equals 76. Notice the 122 there as well, okay? This is just the language, all right? Straight up facts, okay? Tomorrow, it's going to equal the same. You see the ordinal reduction, reverse reduction ciphers. In a month, San Francisco is still going to equal 122 and 76. In a year, San Francisco Bay Area is still going to equal 122 and 76. That date numerology will change. But look at how this hits with the language and the founding date of San Francisco, 1776. Isn't that amazing? I told you to note, look at the 122s right there. 12-week, 2-day span from the San Francisco birthday to this earthquake, and that birthday, the founding date. So look at that right there. So the birthday, June 29th, 2025 of San Francisco, to this earthquake, Monday, a 12-week, 2-day span from start to end. That's 122 like San Francisco and San Francisco Bay Area. Amazing. Is this one going to play? There we go.
On the West Coast, a 4.3 magnitude earthquake jolting the San Francisco area this morning. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, many people reported feeling a sharp shake. That earthquake struck about 2:56 in the morning local time. We will continue to monitor this developing story. Meanwhile, our Weather Authority meteorologist Julie Durda joins us now. Julie, this is a part of your home, right?
Yeah.
So, nobody hurt. Look at the thumbnail right there. Man, look at that, like, Interstate 580, I think that is. Man, I've been seeing a lot of 58. Since I have a minute. That June 29 date looks familiar. Is that, like, Michael Jackson's death date? I'm just curious. Michael Jackson's death date? Oh, June 25th. Man, there's something about June 29th that I just can't think of right now, but that's okay. So, yeah, I just wanted to come. It's different when we're not dealing with characters on the world stage, right? But man, how an earthquake can be broken down like that. You look at the founding of San Francisco. Isn't that amazing right there? The 76, man. Wow, that's wild. And then that 122 comes in big right there. Even the earthquake on the 22nd day of September. So you get 22, 122, 122, 122. I think San Francisco also equals 202, like 22 as well. Yeah, 202, like 22. Okay, so pretty solid stuff right there. And I don't really think. I mean, we landed heavy right there with the 44. Similar size back in 2018 on the fourth day of the year, a 4.4 magnitude. The last of similar size right there, earthquake 44. AP's got the 4.3 magnitude when Berkeley equals 43. We heard the video from NBC. I'm played again right here.
We're breaking in to bring you breaking news. A 4.6 earthquake
Bam.
centered in Berkeley.
The 4.6 hits with the Bay Area right there. We're good, okay? Residents of San Francisco Bay Area jolted awake Monday by a 4.3 magnitude earthquake. That's my breakdown. Until next time.